favorite YouTube
user?
person?
Shane Dawson. Hands down.
Oh, yeah. Shane Dawson.
Actually, there's this other guy.
I like Dave Days, too.
Dave Days.
He's good.
Call me. I don't really
Seriously,
like...
call me.
I don't really like What the Buff. I don't know. It doesn't...
Who's that dude that
do
looks
it
like
for me.
Brady? I forget his name.
I don't know.
Something. What does he do? I am the only person that does not shit in toilets. I shit in trash cans. So whoever you are, the guy that's not him.
If you could leave a comment and tell us who he is, because
Yeah,
we'll
the guy who does, what's it called? Pokemon something.
There's a Pokemon game.
Yeah, like, you play a Pokemon game and there's, like, toilets and stuff. If you could comment and let us know.
Because we're all brain dead at, like, what is it, 9 in the morning? We're all still really tired because we got about 5 hours of sleep.
That's just about it. But just so you know, you can call me too.
Basically, any cute guy with nice arms can call Sam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, shout out to Ricky, our favorite drummer.
Yay, Ricky. You're cute too. I'm very open-minded.
Let's get to the face. Yeah. Also, again.
Who?
You dumbass for doing the music video.
I know.
I hate my life. Meanwhile, Sam shall suck at
She knows who.
Oh, God.
No, because we've only been working on the music video for 2 days now. Okay. Well, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and our craziness. Thank you for bearing with us at 9 in the morning with 5 hours of sleep and almost nothing to eat. So,
I'm still hungry. I didn't even eat today.
we should probably eat something before we start filming.
Nah, I'm fine.
You have Lucky Charms.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm good.
Well, there's one.
I don't like cereal.
Well, I ate your mom's cereal, so just gonna deal with it.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks
Actually,
for watching.
The only time I eat cereal, to be honest.
We're trying to end this.
Yeah, we're trying
Shut up.
Land the plane!
Damn it. Fine, I'll tell them after they turn off the cameras.
Okay.
We'll turn them off so I can tell
Anyway,
you.
comment if you can tell us who that one guy is.
Great.
Comment, rate, subscribe.
If not, I'll just find you on YouTube.
Yeah, there's always that, but I'm too lazy to do that, so.
And then I can actually go find you, because, you know, it's like make something
I'll just ask
35.
my brother. He's the one that showed me.
Something 35.
I thought it has the word bad in it.
Make me bad 35.
Actually, I think that's it. So make me bad 35. If you're watching this, comment.